This video is for one of my best friends, Katie Arms. She told me to make her this video, but I was going to do it anyway, so yeah. Katie, you're amazing, and you're a great friend, and you don't have to vie for my attention, and you are my original twin, so take that. I don't know, like, I think you're amazing, and you're such a good friend, and I love laughing with you, and I'm so glad that you and Alicia adopted me. Yeah, I don't know what to say really. This YouTube video can explain how much I love having you as a friend. You're just an amazing person, and you deserve everything in the world. I don't know. Guess I'll have to talk to you later. Here's your video. So, yeah. Love you. Bye.